Hello, I'm Rebecca Vincent-Haler. I'm a former middle and high school math teacher and a doctoral student at the University of Texas, Austin. My co-author, Allison Lynch, is a mathematics professor at California State University, Monterey Bay. She and I hope you find value in our article. It's titled Students' Understanding of Counterexamples. Counterexamples are incredibly powerful tools in mathematics when you're trying to disprove a statement. Because of this, counterexamples are recognized by Practice 3 in the Standards for Mathematics Practice as an area of expertise that students should develop. So our findings come from working with a team of researchers at the University of Wisconsin-Madison as well as New York University. They were studying the role that examples play in proof and proving. And for that study, we conducted semi-structured interviews with middle school, high school, undergraduates, and mathematicians. Each participant was given some conjectures, some were true, some were false, and we observed how they used examples when solving those problems. Although we found all those participants used examples all the way from middle school up to the mathematicians, we did find that some students had misconceptions about counterexamples. In particular, some students thought that some counterexamples were better than others. Some thought that you needed more than one counterexample to prove a statement, and some saw a counterexample as just an exception to the rule. So because of this, it hindered their ability to prove or disprove mathematical statements. But what we did notice was that after the first experience with counterexamples, students were less likely to have misconceptions at a later conjecture. And this was promising to us because it suggests that with minimal reminding and prompting, students were able to recognize how to use a counterexample when disproving. So in this article, we give examples of each of the misconceptions we observed, and then we give suggestions for prompts and practices that you could use in your own classroom to help students feel more comfortable with counterexamples. So we hope you enjoy the paper and also find it useful in your classroom. Of course, we are grateful to NCTM for sharing our work. We appreciate your support, and we welcome any questions or feedback you have. Happy reading.